What is up, Ram fam? Today's video, we're gonna be doing the shadow light underneath the door of the 2021 Dodge Charger 392. We got the Bumblebee logo with the 392 instead of like that halogen light that reflects on the floor. Let's go ahead and take a look. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit that bell notification, drop a thumbs up. Let's go into this. So here is the kit. These go underneath the passenger and driver door, or driver and passenger. Here is the box that it came in. That was it. This is the packaging. But the install, from what I'm reading and seeing online, is pretty straightforward. So we'll go and take a look into that. Also too, guys, anything that I install, tools that I use, you'll see in the description too. So be sure to check that out. Now, this is the light I'm talking about on the door right here. Let's go and open her up. So in the wife's car, she has this halogen looking light right here. We're gonna go and replace that. It's gonna reflect a little cool logo. So here it is underneath the door. Sorry, car's really low. So I'm taking this tool right here, this small little flathead. What you wanna do is just go ahead and put it on the outside of this tab, pull, and it pulls straight down. That's pretty much it. Quick tip too, make sure you hit this right here, turn it off, because that is freaking hot. But this is what it looks like when it's dropped out of the housing. And as you can see, it's pretty much a plug and play right there. All right, so right here, you'll see like a little tab. Press that in and pull out. So here you guys go. Here is it. It's nice and crisp, pretty clean. As you can see, I have it installed right there. But once we get installed, dang, what a difference. What a difference, y'all. Here you go. Here's the, with it. Look at how dope that is. Freaking cool. Now let's go ahead and plug it in and take a look at both of them when they're done. So there is the passenger side. Both of them are done. Total install, probably say, obviously 1 out of 3 wrenches, maybe 5 to 10 minutes of your time. But yeah, there y'all go. Definitely pretty badass. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below. Please consider subscribing.